Hi, my name's Hazem. Today we're going to learn about the difference in audio quality for speakers. So I've been disassembling some speakers because I'm trying to retrofit something. And so this is a TOA PC580 speaker. They're like 80 bucks, so they're like 30 bucks if you buy them in bulk. And they're really good for paging systems, fire alarms, and they're UL listed, so you can put them in a plenum space, which is really good. You don't even need a back can. And then we got this speaker. This isn't even top of the line speaker, but this is a good, it's an 8 ohm speaker. So you'll hear 70 volt slash 25 volt and you'll hear 8 ohm. So the 8 ohm speakers generally have much better audio quality, but they're more expensive. So taking them apart and we're going to see how they work. So basically inside the TOA we've got a power connection, and that goes to our transformer here. So this is our transformer, and then this feeds the speaker. Now you look at this transformer, you can actually do 25 volt system or 70 volt systems. And then there's a tap. So the tap lets us change the wattage by connecting our speaker wire to a different position. So this black wire, if we connect it to 25, or so we can get, say, 0.6 watts all the way down to 5 watts. And on the other side, if we got a 70 volt system, we've got different wattages as well. So obviously with 70 volts you get less watts. Now the way that this works is power goes to this giant magnet here, and the magnet causes the tweeter. This is called the tweeter. So the magnet, everything's magnetic here. It's crazy. Look, I picked up my wrench. Magnet. Okay, so you can see when the power goes in, it draws the tweeter in, and that pulls in the magnet. It's hard to tell, but basically, now if we look at this is a 70 volt speaker, which has this is an 8 ohm speaker. It's got the same setup, exactly the same. You've got a giant magnet, actually even bigger magnet, and you've got a tweeter. But when you look here, this tweeter has a rubber gasket all around, which helps protect it, and it's got a plastic kind of paper like tweeter, but the range of motion on this tweeter is huge. You can see that compared to magnets, science. Anyway, this one is made of paper. It's quite flimsy. It's got a little tiny rubber seal, but the range of motion is much lower. So the other thing is this has a subwoofer, or a woofer in the center that can be adjusted here. And the woofer, I think this one has a woofer too, sort of, but it's not really that great. Now this has a lot more components as far as resistors and transformers go that can help process the sound, which then splits the wiring into a transformer, the tweeter and the woofer, which are connected separately. So originally we were trying to retrofit some of these speakers because the mounting plate was too big, and so we thought we could take, because these are 8 inches, we could take this plate and we could put it on here, but there's no woofer. So the other thing is the tweeter here isn't the same quality. It's a lower quality tweeter. The metal is solid, but the tweeter is not that great. So we need to somehow transplant the whole thing into here. So we're gonna cut this out. If you have any questions, please post a comment. Thank you.